Alright guys, we got a 2019 Honda Accord. We have a problem with the actuator. It's making a buzzing sound on this. There you go. Do it again. Every time you try to unlock and unlock, it's this actuator right here. Do it again. If you put your hand on it, you will feel it, okay? Each door has an actuator, so don't be mistaken for anything else. But very common, this guy fails. One more time. There you go. So we got the new piece and we're gonna install it. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna jack up the car. We're gonna take off this wheel. We're gonna go right underneath here, and it should be very simple to do. Okay, before we start, let's take a look at this part number right here. This piece is about $37 part. You might get a little bit expensive if you don't have an account with them, but there's a part number here if you guys want to search up right here. 74700 TVA A like Apple 02, and this is what it looked like. It comes with a little pull mechanism over here, and all you need to do is go in the back and you need to squeeze these two tabs and the whole thing comes right out. Dark over here because the sunlight, the camera's not picking up very well, but I got the wheel off. What we're gonna do is right in the back, you need to remove this little funny looking clip right here, which is gonna pop really hard. Okay, there it goes right there. Okay, so they sound like they're breaking, but they're not breaking. They just come out crazy like that. So you got one back here, right over here. There you go. And let's see if we have any space to have some access back there. Okay, once you do that, there you go. The whole thing is sitting right there. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna squeeze this guy. Okay, all you have to do is, let's see if the camera can see it. Can the camera see it? So you have to squeeze the two tabs, top and bottom. Once you squeeze it, this guy is gonna come right out, just like that. Okay, so here it is, and something is blocking me. Okay, so the wiring in the back is gonna block us. So that's the wire that goes all the way up there. It's back there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect this guy right now. Disconnect it, and then try one more time. So okay, that's it. So what we're gonna do is this little grommet here has to come out. See that grommet right there? So we're back over here now. So in here we have this little guy right here. This is what pulls a manual pull right here. So if your fuel door don't open, you can pull it manually from right here. Okay, so what we need to do is take off this little guy. So this is the little guy we need to take off right here. So what we're gonna do is we need to save this piece right here. So slowly, if you break it, it's okay. You can always get another one from the dealer. So it comes right off, just like that. Okay, so we're gonna have to take this guy off, put it onto the new one. But right now, we should be able to fish this whole thing out. Okay, remember that grommet is out as well. So let's save this right here. And for some reason, it's stuck right here. Okay, so it goes right through, just like that. The whole thing. Okay, so I'm not sure if this plastic piece here. Okay, this plastic piece is not gonna go through. So what we need to do here is this thing splits open in two. So it splits open in half. That's what happens here. So I'm gonna have to put my camera down and split this guy open in half. Okay, so this guy just opens up just like that. Very easy with this flathead screwdriver. That's what I use right there, flathead screwdriver. So just pry it open. That's all you're gonna do is pry it open. And we're gonna go back out. Go back out. So now we should be able to yank this whole thing out just like that. So this is what was causing the issue. Okay, so we're gonna put a new one in. So we got the new piece here. So what we're gonna do is up. So you're gonna face it up just like that, and this has to be on this side. So take this guy in and just stick it in there just like that, and then we're gonna go down here. We're gonna send this cable right through. I can't see in there, so I'm trying to do it blindly. There it is right there. Okay, so once this is in, make sure you lock up this grommet nice and good. Let me see if I can get a better angle. There you go. Okay, once your grommet is in, what you want to do is, do not forget this connector right here. There you go. Make sure it clicks. It doesn't come back out. We're pretty much done back here. We're gonna put this up, and we're gonna put the 2 clips in. That's this little guy right here. Okay, so I'll just push them in, and they should go right in. I got one in, so here's the second one. So this is how simple this is. Bang, zoom. Okay, we're all set down here. Okay, so we're all set down here. This is all done deal. We can close this baby up, and but we're not done down here. Okay, so remember that cable back here is going to be coming out right through here. So what we need to do is we need to take our little retainer right here, get this guy right in the center. Whoops, where did it go? So this guy goes in just like that. You close the tab, and you put this guy right in the same hole that we took it out from. Bada bing, bada boom. So let's see if this door opens manually. Let's pull this. Okay. I'm not sure how it's supposed to work, but I think it's supposed to open that door. Okay, I think, yep, it unlocked it. And it should open up, okay? And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna lock it. See, the door doesn't open. It opens. Lock it, and it doesn't open. Let's give it a try now. I think manually it should click. Where is it? Where is it? There you go. There you go. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And that's how you're gonna fix your little issue.